Hello there. My name is Engineer Chineye Justin Wobu, a registered chemical engineer, a researcher and manufacturer of innovative water treatment, household, industrial and oil field chemicals. My innovative chemicals have been recognized by international organizations and national organizations, and they are very much in use here in Nigeria. My innovative product solution that I'm presenting is SaferEx water purifier. SaferEx water purifier is a multi-action water treatment solution for borehole and general groundwater treatment. SaferEx kills microorganisms, sediments, suspended particles, metals, and salt from the contaminated water and makes it possible to decant the clarified pathogen, metal, and salt-free water and filter them for drinking and other hygiene and sanitation uses. SaferEx is safe and have been confirmed by certified laboratories for use for borehole and underground water purification. Now we are going to demonstrate how SaferEx is used. This is a sample of SaferEx water purifier. We are going to use it for a sample of borehole water, sample 1, sample 2, and a table water here. So the first one, we add 5 drops of SaferEx into each cup. Then we'll pour the sample of the borehole water. This is from sample 1. You can see the water is cloudy. It is showing that this sample 1 from the borehole is not pure. This is sample 2, borehole water. It is not cloudy here, so you can see that this borehole water is better than the sample 2. Then we have this bottled water that everybody is drinking around here. We remove the label for some purposes. And you can see that this bottled water is not cloudy. So here right now, you can see that the sample 1 borehole is cloudy, meaning that this sample 1 borehole is not pure. So SaferEx can also be used to instantly and preliminarily know if water is pure or not. So you can see how cloudy it is. For the sample 2 borehole, there's no cloudy color formation. And for this bottled water here, there is no formation of any cloudy solution. So SaferEx here makes it possible also to detect when water is not pure. So after a little while, this will form sediments. The bacteria, the viruses and all the pathogens here will be killed, and all the metal and salts will be precipitated at the bottom, and when it is decanted, you now have your pure water. So it is a confirmation of the purity of these two, the borehole and the bottled water. here we have a worst case of well water in Enugu part of Nigeria. This water is what we now have here purified, this side of it, and you can see the sediments. So the bacteria here, the virus and all the pathogens have been killed by SaferEx, and you now have the salts and the metals and other impurities sedimented on the bottom. So when we decant, this is what we have, the pure water now, which when cloth filtered, one can drink it and also use it for other things. So you can now see how this water has moved from this point to this point as a result of using SaferEx water purifier. Here, salty borehole water from Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. Here is a shallow borehole. So we treated it with SaferEx water purifier. The pathogens has been killed, and what you have here is a precipitation of the salt and the metals and other impurities. So when we decant, so this is what we have here. We have a water that is now purified. When this water is filtered, one can drink it and use it for other uses. So one can see how this borehole water has moved from this to this for safe drinking water and water we can use for other things. Now we have another sample of water here that we've been treating. This is a typical borehole water from Bayelsa State, Nigeria, South Nigeria. So you can see the sediments and the top, clarified water. So the pathogens are killed, and if this water is filtered, it is safe for drinking and other uses. We have another water here, a typical water here from Owerri, Nigeria, southeast of Nigeria. You can see the sediments and the clarified top. The pathogens are killed. So if this water is filtered up, it is safe for drinking and other uses. We have another water here from Aba, southeast of Nigeria, Abia State. You can see the sediment, the clarified top. If this water is filtered off, it is safe for drinking. All these are borehole underground water. SaferEx is unique in that SaferEx makes it possible to kill microorganisms, that is to disinfect the water, sediments, the impurities, suspended particles, metals and salts, and also to clarify the water and makes it possible for easy filtration of the top pathogen, metal and salt-free water for use. SaferEx is fully commercialized. Will go a long way to create employment for manufacturing and marketing staff, for distributors, wholesalers and retailers. SaferEx will also go a long way in reducing the prevalence of waterborne diseases like typhoid fever, diarrhea, dysentery, and others. SaferEx will also reduce hypertension and high blood pressure associated around here with intake of salt water from underground water boreholes. SaferEx will also reduce the high consumption of soap in laundry as a result of hardness of salt, of water. SaferEx will also reduce staining of cloth and high use of stain remover as a result of the presence of metals like manganese and iron in the water. SaferEx is safe for water treatment, especially the underground borehole water. SaferEx will make water safe for drinking and other sanitation and hygiene uses. Thank you.